Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. Well, today is traveling day. We're getting ready to travel down to Port Canaveral, check into our hotel, and then in the morning we get up and cruise out. We're going on a 3-day cruise. We'll do an overnight in the Bahamas, and then we do that sea day. So we finna get on the road, and I'm gonna end it right here. See you later.
Welcome back.
Is that gone? Oh, what, Nick? What, right over here?
Right next door to the fitness.
We are at the Hampton Hotel. They got coffee and nothing around this thing. Okay, we done made it to our hotel, inside the hotel. Let's see, typical bathroom, nothing fancy, but it's nice and clean. Now that's what I like. Tissue, towels, soaps. Hi guys. Let's see. There's Dario. Let's see what's in this closet in here. There's Angelo.
Hey.
Okay, this is the closet with the ironing board, the iron. I always take these. I use them all the time. So I'll be taking that one. These are what are these? Full size beds. And this one over there. What's this? Got your TV. What is this in here? Oh. Refrigerator. Your little fridge. Yeah, that's cool. Microwave. Got 1, 2, 3 dresser drawers. Coffee.
Cheers, DC. What's outside?
So look, I'm trying to get some lights cut on here so we can.
Look out there, first door open.
Oh, there's a sitting area right here.
Nice little cozy room. We figured we'll try this. It's nice. Oh, guys, we got a little balcony out here with 2 chairs and a table. Oh, wow. It's pretty out here today. Port Canaveral. Look at the water, y'all. Look at that beach. Oh, really, really, really pretty. But it's chilly out here. It's chilly.
So
So that's it for our little room tour. Not a whole lot to show, but it's
Yes, I don't
nice.
know where the mom.
Okay.
You know what you want to put on your phone? You ain't gotta have all that stuff up here. Cause in mom, you're gonna have to take all that stuff up downstairs.
Oh, yeah.
That's it, guys.